This is the Profitable Man. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can invest 2,000 naira. Nothing as low as 2,000 naira. How you can, if even 1,000 naira, you can invest, because many people don't believe they can use 2,000 naira, 1,000 naira, 500 naira to invest into their future. People will be saying, and I want to invest. I don't have money. I don't have 50,000. I don't have 20,000. It's not a must for you to get that kind of amount of money before you can invest. There are many ways to invest. What you lack is that you don't know how to invest. So today, I'm going to show you a lot of ways to invest as low as 2,000 naira into stock and shares. So first of all, many of you don't know the meaning of shares. Television. So I will explain what stock or shares, what stock or shares means. You see, some people call it shares, some people call it stock. So first of all, let's go to Google. That is our family house where we used to ask questions. So let's go to Google as usual. Let me use my Kiwi browser. It's here. If you check very well, this is. So the simple definition, this means that the amount or the unit of shares you have will determine the unit of profit or loss you will have at the end of the day. For example, now I have about 200 shares of MTN. So at the end of the day, when they are doing their calculation at the end of the year, if the company give more money, that means based on the unit of the shares I have, or the stock, you can call it stock or shares that I have, my own profit will be there too. And then if the company otherwise, that means that we are losing together. That is why it's good to do your research before investing into any stocks. That research is very, very important. You should check the structure, the goals and the objective, the vision of the company or the stocks you are going to invest your money into. You must do your research. Nobody go do your research for you. Go to Google, go and do your research, read about the company, look at their vision before you invest your money into them. For example, now you can buy Dangote Sugar, you can invest in Dangote Sugar, but do your research about it. And how to do your research is that, will sugar still be usable in the next 20 years? If it is, you can invest, you can buy the stock if you believe. So you in a particular stock you want to invest, so that one is your personal decision. When you do your research, you can invest, so that you will not come later that Profitable Man scammed me to invest in this particular stock as shares. So do your research before you invest. So I will be showing you two platforms whereby you can buy stock and shares. Stock and shares, they are the same thing. Whereby you can buy shares. Let me call it shares. Whereby you can buy shares. First of all is the first app I will show you is Cheaper Cash. Many people don't know that they can buy shares on Cheaper Cash. They are just using Cheaper Cash for money transaction because of free charges. But little did they know that they can buy shares on Cheaper Cash. So I have a little shares here on Cheaper Cash. Before I show you how to buy shares, you can see I bought PepsiCo. PepsiCo is an international shopping mall. It's an international shopping mall. They are selling a lot of beverages stuff like that. I did my research before I invested into them. So I bought 1,000 naira worth of shares. You understand? And they gave me 0.012813999 shares in PepsiCo. As you see me, I'm an investor. I'm an investor. I have 1,000 naira in PepsiCo. So my prayer now is that God, so that I will have more profit at the end of the year. So, and then one thing I want you to know is that stock is not short-term investment. Stock is long-term investment. You understand what I said? It's long-term investment. It's not that you bought your stocks this month and you say, okay, next week or next 2 weeks or next 3 weeks, so you want to sell it, Baba, you will lose money, because stock is long-term investment. I have some people that they have bought their stock for about 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. I have friends that bought MTN shares 2 years ago. Today now they are in money. People that bought Tesla in 2015, today now they are in money. You understand what I'm trying to say? So let me show you how to buy shares on Cheaper Cash. First of all, you need to deposit of Ekoni one shares nibi. So first of all you do is you come here, you click on this wallet up here, click it. I'll copy my account number. You need to deposit first. But me, I will go and make my transfer from another app. So I've copied my account number. Check the name of the bank you will deposit to. 9 payment service. So let me look for a means to fund my Cheaper Cash. Let me use my OPay. Thank God, I have 6,005. So let me fund 1,000 naira, because I don't get money. I don't use all my money to buy stock. So let me fund 1,000 naira. So what I will do is that I think I have the account as beneficiary here. So I'll just click on my Cheaper here. You see Cheaper Capital, and I will click 1,000 naira at Bumaru, and I will deposit it. So when you deposit it like this, you will receive it in your Cheaper Cash. Meanwhile, before you can use your Cheaper Cash to buy stocks, or shares, you need to verify you. You need to verify. They must know you. And one of the means of identity is maybe your national identity card or BVN. You have to do your Kilongpe verification before you can buy stocks on Chipper Cash. If you are looking for a way to download Chipper Cash, don't stress yourself. Just check my description. You will see the link there whereby you can use that link to download your Chipper Cash and start to invest into your future. You understand? Because now the money you invest in the future, you go meet in the future. You understand? So don't use all the money to chop chicken today, to chop everything today, and don't spend it on your girlfriend. I'm not saying you should not give your girlfriend money, but you should cultivate a habit of saving into your future. Like, as we can see, my 1,000 naira is here. So what I will do is that I will go to this place called Invest. When you go to this place, Invest, you can see my portfolio. I have $2.27. Owore Erubaba, okay. See this money like this, I will go to restaurants and go chop chicken, but I will not because I will invest. So one of the stock I have here is Popsicle, as I told you earlier, and then there are a lot of shares here. You can do your research. You can see Amazon. I have Amazon shares too on my Bible. So you can see Amazon.com International. You can see them Afri Group. You can see them MC Donald Group, so you can see Art and T, all this telecommunicational stuff. You can do Adobe system. You can even do your search here, search bar. Look for any shares you want to invest. Okay, let me search for Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. You can see Coca-Cola is here too. We have Coca-Cola Euro Pacific Partners. Orichirichi Coca-Cola is here. You can pick it and invest into it. But me, I will not buy Coca-Cola because I don't used to drink Coca-Cola. So let me look for Pepsi. Maybe Pepsi is here. Pepsi no day here. Now PepsiCo we have. So another thing you can do is that just after you have done your research about the particular stock you want to buy, what you go do next? You come here, check maybe the particular shares you want to invest your money into is here. So as usual, me I still prefer to invest into my PepsiCo because I believe people never stop in buying stuff. You know, a unit of PepsiCo is $177.65. We see Walmart here too. So a lot of things are here. So a lot of stocks are here. If you do your research, I think Shopify should be here going to. You see Shopify. A lot of companies are here to do. But as normal, me I go invest on my PepsiCo. So you will come here. So you will click on market is closed into your loan. You see, market has closed already. It is closed right now. So what I will do is that I will still buy. So what they will do is that when the market is opened, they will automatically process my market. So all my order. So what I will do right now is that I will click on buy 1,000 only. I will click on this 1,000 naira. Then I will do what? And I'll click next. So when I click next, schedule buy. No, confirm your want. Bye. You can see that I've ordered another PepsiCo. So what I will click right now is you click on done. And this market is on pending right now. This is my portfolio. When the market is open, they will add this $2.29 to my $2.27. You can see this arrow. Don't call it okay. That means my portfolio has increased, or my total capital has increased by 0.30%. So that is how to buy shares or stock on Chipper Cash. Another platform I will show you is Trove app. I use Trove a lot, but Chipper is summer friendly to me. So you may try to come to Trove to come and buy some shares. So I like Trove too. Let me use the web version. Okay, this is my Trove account, and if you can see very well, I have 15 shares of MTN Nigeria. You see, the advantage of Trove over Chipper Cash is that you will see the advantage of Trove over Chipper Cash is that there are many Nigerian and African stocks here on Trove, whereby you can invest your money like MTN, Glo, Airtel, Etisalat, GT Bank, Fidelity Bank, Access Bank, Dangote Sugar, Dangote Cement, and a lot more. You can see my portfolio that I have 50 shares, 15 units of MTN shares. So let me show you other shares you can buy here. To buy shares here is also easy. It's also easy. One of the things you will do before you can buy shares here is that you will do your verification first. After your verification, I think they are collecting maybe voters card, national identity card, BVN or NIN. So you will click on fund portfolio. When you click on fund portfolio, click on Naira continue. So I think bank transfer or card is better. So you can use any means of payment to fund your portfolio here. After you have funded your portfolio, what you go do be say you go back here, you will come here, When you click on this thing, let me show you in better way. You see dashboard, you will click on this dashboard. When you come to this dashboard, you will see different stocks. We have made in China, the one in China. We have woman in charge, we have Nigeria stocks, we have remote work, financial technology, we have green energy like Tesla and so on. So if you want to buy Nigeria, so you will come to this Nigeria stock. So when you come to Nigeria stock, you can see a lot of Nigeria stocks. You can see MTN Nigeria, you can see FCMB, you can see Baga are the one that are doing Lagos Ibadan Expressway. So you can see Dunlop, those people that are doing your Batan tire and so stuff like that. So a lot of them are here. I can see Dangote. Okay, if you don't see Dangote here, what you go do? We say is either you allow this thing to load finish, or you go to the search box up there to go and search for a particular stock or shares you are looking for. We can see Wema Bank, and you can see their chart too. You can see their chart. Most markets are on green right now, and you can see that most markets are open. Today is Tuesday on Thrive, so most markets are they are on open market. So what you will do right now, you can see Fidelity, you can see a lot of them. So, and you can come to this place too, to this up here, and search for any stock you are looking for. For example, now let's look for Dangote. We have Dangote Sugar, Dangote Cement, and many more. So we are looking for Dangote like this. We can see Dangote Sugar and Dangote Cement. Okay, let me go for Dangote Sugar. A unit of Dangote Sugar on Trove is 16.3. Okay, 16 naira 3 kobo. So what you go do is say, I think I have little change on my portfolio. Let me click on buy. Let me try 50 units of this stuff. Yes, 50 units is working. 54 is not working. Maybe they want to collect their own charges too. So 50 units of Dangote Sugar is what I want to buy right now, as you can see. So you will click on buy assets. You can see you're about to invest 792 naira 5 kobo in Dangote Sugar Refinery PLC. You will receive approximately 50 shares when your order is filled at 15.85 naira. Okay, 15 naira 85 kobo per share. So that's what they are going to sell the price per share for me. So what I will do right now is that I will click on buy asset. The same way you buy is going to be the same way you will sell. But let me tell you, stock and shares, they are not short-term investment. If you can try to like maybe every week or every month you are investing little amount into this kind of stock, maybe before in the next 4 years, the next 5 years, who can tell? So that is how investment works.